Have you ever paused just for a moment amidst the hustle and bustle of daily life and truly wondered if what you perceive as reality is, in fact, genuine? Have you ever questioned the very fabric of your existence, the sensations you experience, the sights you behold, the sounds that fill your ears? I mean, real. Is there a deeper truth lurking beneath the surface of our everyday experiences, a truth that challenges our fundamental understanding of what it means to be alive and conscious? Or is it possible that everything around us, the seemingly infinite universe with its swirling galaxies and distant nebulae, the countless stars twinkling like diamonds scattered across a velvet cloth, each one a sun potentially harboring its own worlds, even your own most private and cherished thoughts, those fleeting moments of inspiration, those deep-seated beliefs, those nagging doubts, are just intricate lines of code, meticulously running inside an unfathomably advanced computer, a cosmic engine far beyond our current comprehension. That's the core, the very essence of the mind-bending idea we call simulation theory. It's a concept that challenges our perceptions and forces us to confront the possibility that our reality might not be what it seems. Imagine this scenario, an incredibly advanced civilization existing somewhere far beyond our reach, perhaps in a distant galaxy, or on a plane of existence we can barely conceive of, with technology so unbelievably powerful and sophisticated that they can perfectly simulate conscious beings, creating entire worlds populated by individuals who go about their daily lives completely unaware that they're living inside a meticulously crafted simulation, their experiences, emotions, and perceptions all carefully programmed and controlled. Wild, right? It's a concept that stretches the limits of our imagination. The esteemed Oxford philosopher Nick Bostrom, a leading voice in the field of existential risk, came up with a deceptively simple but profoundly unsettling argument that has fueled much of the debate surrounding simulation theory. He posits that at least one of these three seemingly disparate things must be demonstrably true. Consider these possibilities carefully. First, it's possible that humanity, or any civilization for that matter, will never actually develop the technological prowess advanced enough to create a simulation of reality that is indistinguishable from, well, reality itself. Perhaps there are fundamental limits to what technology can achieve. Second, maybe even if a civilization develops such technology, they simply wouldn't to. Perhaps the ethical considerations, the potential risks, or simply a lack of interest would prevent them from pursuing such a project. But if both of those possibilities are ultimately false, if creating a reality simulation is indeed technologically possible, and if someone somewhere at some point in time genuinely to do it, then the odds are overwhelmingly in favor of the idea that we're living in a simulation right now, without even realizing it. It's a chilling thought, isn't it? But wait, the rabbit hole goes even deeper. There's more to consider. Quantum physics, the branch of science that explores the bizarre and counterintuitive world of subatomic particles, has this fascinating concept called the observer effect, where the very act of observing a quantum system seems to force it to choose a definite state, causing reality to seemingly snap into place only when someone is actively watching. What does this imply about the nature of reality itself, and what about the universe itself? It's structured in a way that is suspiciously, almost unnervingly mathematical, governed by precise equations and elegant formulas, as if it's fundamentally built from some kind of underlying code, a cosmic programming language that dictates the behavior of everything from the smallest atom to the largest galaxy. Is this just a coincidence? Or is it evidence of something more? Plus, let's not forget those strange, unexplainable moments, those so-called glitches in the Matrix, those fleeting anomalies that defy logical explanation, déjà vu experiences that feel eerily familiar, and other odd occurrences that just don't quite add up, leaving us with a sense that something is not quite right. Are these just tricks of the mind, or are they glimpses behind the curtain? And consider our own rapid advancements in the fields of virtual reality and artificial intelligence, technologies that are rapidly blurring the lines between the physical and digital worlds. We're already actively tinkering with the process of building entire worlds inside computers, creating immersive digital environments that can simulate reality with increasing fidelity. So here's the kicker, the ultimate question that lies at the heart of simulation theory. Prepare yourself for a potentially unsettling revelation. If Future civilizations far more advanced than our own eventually reach a point where they can create simulations that are completely indistinguishable from base reality, then how can you be absolutely unequivocally sure that the reality you're experiencing right now isn't already one of those simulations? Can you truly prove that this is not the case? Maybe, just maybe, the seemingly solid and immutable line that we perceive between what is real and what is simulated isn't quite as clear, as well-defined, or as unshakable as we might instinctively believe. Perhaps the distinction is far more fluid and ambiguous than we realize, or perhaps the very act of asking this profound and unsettling question, of grappling with the implications of simulation theory, is precisely what makes us real in the first place, what distinguishes us as conscious thinking beings capable of questioning our own existence. Maybe the search for truth is more important than the answer itself. So are you truly ready to question everything you think you know about reality? Are you prepared to embark on a philosophical journey that could challenge your deepest beliefs and forever alter your perception of the world around you? The choice ultimately is yours.